Oh. Oh gosh, what happened? Holy crap. Did something happen? Ballistic missile threat inbound to Hawaii. Seek immediate shelter. This is not a drill.
The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii.
We got the alarm. We're actually terrified. We're on the 36th floor of our hotel, and we didn't know what to do. We put the baby in the bathroom, didn't know what else to do.
I sent a message to my grandkids at home, and it made me realize, my God, I could have never seen them again.